In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of extracting phone numbers from Gmail emails using the email backup software. To install our Gmail phone number extractor, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. Our tool allows users to back up multiple other email clients. Let's select Gmail option for this tutorial. To begin, enter your Gmail address and click Sign in with Google option. A new window will open asking to select the Google account to sign in with. Click on Select All option. Click on Continue and go back to the tool. Select or deselect folder from migration using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select Extract Phone Numbers option for this tutorial. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Next, simply click the Backup button, and the migration will begin. Once the extraction is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully extracted phone numbers. Click OK and open the destination folder to access the extracted phone numbers.
Our tool provides users with filter options for selective backup. Here, user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in converted files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and others. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.